Hello everybody! I had a request on my channel for me to do a tutorial video on how I draw people. Most of the time with like faces, I start them off like this, with just a circle, if it'll focus. Circle, a line to there. There on the other side as well. It doesn't have to be totally even. Then where I want the faces. You want to make sure that they're evenly spaced, the eyes, so I always make sure that there's 3 circles, so you know eye width, eye width, eye width. So they're going to be an eye width apart. Normally I'll start the eyelids like that. I like to have them just looking off at the side. Eyebrows. Little dots for eyelashes. And then the nose. The nose I normally put either on this line or on a little bit lower. You can normally gauge where you need to put it based on where your faces are. Ears were normally going to be about where the tip of the nose is to almost the eyebrow. Sometimes they can be a little bit smaller. If they're elves, they're going to go out and about, or maybe your character has cat ears or wolf ears, and that's perfectly okay as well. I like to do little corners of the mouths before I fill in the lips, which honestly it can just be a little soft smile, and then I shade in the upper lip. Then you can add just a little bit of a bottom lip. Now, for neck, I usually go about the corners of the mouth where those would be, unless they're making like a different face where the corners of their mouth might be brought in a little bit more, but just in a relaxed form like this, about the corners of the mouth. Bring it down for the shoulders. And then I do really fluffy hair if it's just a base character. You guys can change the haircuts, hairstyles as much as you want, but I like to just bring them all out like this, make it nice and poofy. And then I'll erase this line on top. Start bringing some bangs down like this. You can get rid of the guidelines. You can go over the rest of this in like pen. I like to add little nose scrunchies, and then I might add those as well on their cheeks. Add some extra fluff, and then some shading under the neck, just like that. And if you want, you can do collarbones. And like, there we go. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a full body tutorial or a realistic tutorial, because I would be more than happy to film something like that for you guys as well. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.